As an explanatory construct, it's not a very useful term. Why did he do that? Because he chose to do that. Oh, thank you, let's all go home. You know, it doesn't explain much. Often it's used for moral reasons, for moralistic reasons. And as for what we can do to make things better, I think an important point is to understand that most problems in life are not fixed outright, absolutely. They are managed and improved upon. If I have some discord with my girlfriend, we disagree, we have some personality conflicts, we can work it out and do better. And we can have a much better relationship. But those personality differences are not going to disappear. They're not going to go away forever. If I have a little bit of a weight problem right here, I want to shake off a few pounds. It's something that I'm going to manage. I'm not going to make the fat on my body disappear and look like Spider-Man for the rest of my life. And often what's expected of addicts is a pure solution without compromise. And when you hold that standard, what happens is practically everybody fails. And they're called failures. And then the governing line is, well, since you failed, maybe you need another kick in the teeth, and that'll learn you. So we need to learn. In life, a vast majority of problems are managed and improved progressively, incrementally. Okay? The crash, burn, see the light business that, the mainstream recovery movement wants, that's great if you want to make a B-grade film, but it doesn't have a lot to do with real life. Yeah.
I'm Gary Shantz from Abbotsford, British Columbia, aka Murder Capital, aka Disease Central. There's a bylaw that makes harm reduction illegal in Abbotsford. Your statement about you can't destigmatize somebody by changing the name, I just found that all quite profound. And in Abbotsford now, service providers and people discussing social change are talking about not using the word harm reduction anymore because it's a hot potato and people will definitely say no, and it turns things off from causing social change. Have you heard of that? And does the same...
I've heard of a lot of places where some of the things that are called harm reduction have become so normal they don't even bother calling it harm reduction. It's just what they do. I mean, it's even sad that harm reduction is controversial. You say to somebody, I want to reduce harm, and your Prime Minister says, hell no. But, you know, maybe, you know, in a certain political climate, if the term harm reduction pushes a lot of buttons, and you can find a way to do the same things by not calling it harm reduction, go for it. I say that's good political strategy. But I haven't been to Abbotsford, so I don't know the situation, but that's my fast answer.
You're welcome.
We have a meeting Tuesday at 2 p.m. in the community center for the drug court survivors. We'd like you to come out and check it out, please.
Can I suggest you use the term public health and safety? Might diffuse a little bit.
Okay, I really appreciate the attention.